Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Minh. Hey guys, my name's Sarah. Today we're going to talk about a topic, very interesting topic called things in the sky. So in the sky there are many things for you to see. So let's see what are they. First, we have the sun. So we can see the sun. In the evening, it is round. In the morning, it is yellow, but in the evening, it's orange. When it's evening, the light is hotter. So in that time, the light will be like a little bit orange. So you can see the sun is more orange than other time. When you see the sun is yellow, that means that now there's no much water vapor or the sky is very bright. Like that. The sun is very hot. Its airs are very hot. So when you touch the sun, you might be burned your hand when you touch it. So be careful. What are the things that we can describe about the sun? It's hot, very hot. It looks like a circle or an oval. Do you know that the sun doesn't have only the color yellow or orange? It has more colors than usual. It maybe has 7 colors, like in its 7 colors in the rainbow too. But that the light from the sky makes us think that the sun is yellow or orange. Next, we have the moon. So the moon is made out of dust. There are many dust in the moon. Some scientists visited the moon, so they put a big flag on it. But usually you can't see the flag. It's very far away, so the flags look really small. You can't just look at the flag by your own eyes. You need very, very big and good microscope or telescope to look at the moon. The moon has many water. Then the moon here, the moon has Armstrong too. Do you know that you can't really walk on the moon? Wow, that's very nice. We can only jump very, very tall away from the moon. But we're not floating in space. We are jumping in the moon. So we have the sun and the moon. We have one more thing, the clouds. So what are the clouds made from? From the water vapor. Water vapor. Water vapor is like the type of gas in water. Water is non-gas, so it's not liquid anymore, it's gas. So the gas will come up into the air, and now this is called water vapor or steam. The clouds are white. Sometimes when we see the airplane fly very fast in the sky, you can see that there are some white clouds after it. Why? No, they're called smoke. So don't mix the clouds and the smoke looks like each other. When you see a white airplane in the sky, it is very, very hard to identify what is the airplane and what are clouds. Many birds can fly up into the sky. They can even touch the clouds, but not always because clouds are very, very high. So if we have the moon, the sun, so what are they called? They call the star. Very bright star. They are the biggest star and the Milky Way. So they're smaller stars from the sky that's made out of gas. So these stars are very, very small. At night, you can see the stars, but not in daytime. Why can't we see the stars in daytime? Very nice question, Sarah. The stars is very bright, right? Its color is usually white. The stars, you can see the stars in the daytime too, but not when the sky is so bright. When it's daytime, you can see many clouds, many bright lights. So the stars can't make any light anymore. If it is very bright, then you won't see it. You are thinking about it is the light from the sky. So these stars are very difficult to see too. They're really small, smaller than the ant sometimes. But when you look closely at it, it is big. It is sometimes big, very big. No, a little big. That's very small. These stars are always bright. These make very, very bright light. So these are the things in the sky. Now, let's see. Let's play a game about these things. I will tell you about something, some informations, and you tell me what are they. So now, I have something. It is usually made from dust. It has many water. It has Armstrong. So sometimes you can see it is full. It is like a circle. But sometimes you look at it and see it is not circle anymore. It looks like a banana. Its color is white. You can see when it's nighttime. I have 5 seconds for you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, you're right. The moon. Very good. Next. These are white. When the airplane flies in the sky, you can see there's smoke that looks like something like that. Sometimes the birds can fly with these things. So these are white, remember, and they made from water vapor. So think. Made from water vapor, they're white. The clouds, right? Very good. So I have this one. This kind of star. It's showing in the evening, in the mornings, and in the afternoon. But you can't see it in the evening because it is nighttime now. It looks like a circle. It is round. Its colors is yellow and orange. It is very hot and it makes very hot air. Very bright light too. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And the sun, right? The sun is very hot. Yes, you're right, Sarah. So we've remembered all the things in the sky now. Things in the sky are so important for us. Because if we don't have these things like the sun, the moon, the clouds, and the stars, our earth will be very dark. We can't see anything because we don't have light. So these are very important. I love this topic very much about things in the sky. Do you? Things in the sky are very important. Like they make lights for us. Now, it's time to say bye. Bye. See ya. See ya.